In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Outlook in safe mode. Safe mode is a quick way to open Outlook with add-ins and customizations turned off, which helps diagnose crashes, freezes, or strange behavior. If Outlook works normally in safe mode, that usually means an add-in is causing the issue. Let's start with the Run command. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type outlook.exe/safe exactly like that, with a space before the slash. Then press Enter or click OK. If you're asked to choose a profile, pick the one you normally use. When Outlook opens, you'll know you're in safe mode because it appears in the title bar. If you want a shortcut, try the Control method. First, make sure Outlook is closed. Then press and hold the Control key. While holding it, click the Outlook shortcut on your desktop or Start menu. Keep holding Control until a prompt appears asking if you want to start Outlook in safe mode. Click Yes, choose your profile if needed, and Outlook will launch in the same trimmed-down environment. Both methods work the same way. The Run command gives precise control, while the Control shortcut is quick and convenient. If Outlook behaves fine in safe mode, that's a strong sign an add-in or customization is the problem. While in safe mode, the interface may look simpler and some features won't be available, and that's normal. And that's it. 2 easy ways to launch Outlook in safe mode and start troubleshooting confidently.